Chapter 18, Occoquan, aka the Quack. Occoquan, which was one of the 8 Lorton prisons, consisted of 18 open dormitories with up to 150 beds in each. It was Lorton's oldest and largest prison with over 1,700 convicts. This Gothic gulag hadn't been updated since it was constructed 80 years prior, with its quasi-colonial architecture. The windows lacked caulking and allowed cold air in the winter and hot air in the summer to seep in. It had no air conditioning, only fans. The fan blades were constantly being replaced because someone removed it to construct a weapon. It was described in the courts and the Washington Post as deteriorated to the level of depravity. A prison security expert once called Occoquan highly dangerous, volatile, and in crisis, with robberies and drug dealing being rampant. They are forced to work and live in an environment that is utterly dominated by the fear of uncontrolled violence and crime. And while some violence and some crime may be expected in any prison, the epidemic at Occoquan was far beyond that. Occoquan was also known for its deplorable conditions, severe overcrowding, shortage of guards, and an infestation of tuberculosis, staph infections, or hepatitis because of the dope fiends sharing needles, and an influx of prisoners that were homeless in society. The archways were crumbling and in decay, and all the steel fences and bars eroded. The ACLU classified it as a fire hazard that constituted cruel and unusual punishment, and it lacked adequate medical services. It was also referred to as a powder keg. 3 years before I got here in 1986, there was a riot where 13 buildings burned, destroying 5 dormitories. 29 convicts were injured by the fires, tear gas and shotgun blasts, along with 9 guards and 6 firefighters.